Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel Psychological Sakshi. Today I have something really exciting to show you. So let me open this. So here are telecounters. Look at these, so cute and compact. We have three colors here. First is blue, green and pink. But I am going to use a green one today. It's small, super handy and fits perfectly on my finger. This is going to make mantra chanting effortless. So let's start. So here I am trying to fix it as per the size of my finger, and this is how I'm gonna do it. Chanting helps us connect with positivity. With this counter, I can focus more on my mantra rather than counting on my fingers. It's such a helpful tool for meditation and mindfulness, wherein you can just close your eyes and just focus on the chanting. And there we are, almost on 4,000 counts. This little device is truly amazing. Less time, more chants, just how it should be. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ram. And here it's 1, 2, 3, 4,000. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.